Backend is dead. Yes, you heard me right. Backend is dead, and I just killed it. Okay, so let's start the fun. Okay, so what is the existing system with backend is we have a client, browser or user. Let's make browser. Let's make user. Okay, and this is our client, and we have a backend system. Backend. Let's take this. Okay, sorry, and we have database. So right now what happens is the user will make a request to the backend, then again the backend will take the user's request and it is like move to database, then database will, based on the request, database will return some result to backend, and what backend again will do, it will take the result and return to user. Okay, so this is the existing system. So what if I remove the backend system from here, and the user directly can communicate with the database. Okay, and just removing the backend, and the user is directly going to communicate with the database. So if I do this, you will tell me, Shankar, are you mad? That way, like any user can access any user's data, there will be no security. Okay, so like what actually backend do is backend takes your request, it like backend authenticates you, and based on some relevant data fetches from database and gives to you. So if I remove the backend entirely from here, there will be no security, any user can access any user's data, right? But there is something called RLS, row level security. Okay, and which solve this problem. You can just go to Google and search RLS superbase, see row level security. Okay, and which is actually killed backend, not me. Here in the database you can create some policies like which user and who can access what data, and there will be no need of backend. Directly the client, the user can communicate with the backend and fetch data, and the database itself will be like very highly secure, and it will not allow you to fetch any user's data if you made the policy properly. Just go to the supervisor document and read it, and all set.